Hey everyone, welcome to Unboxing a Brand. This is Shirley. Today we're unboxing a company called Misfits. Misfits is a company that works with local farmers markets and they send you fresh organic produce right to your door. They have two different options for their subscription service. The one that I ordered is for 1 to 2 people and it's good for a week. And they send you anywhere between 10 to 12 pounds of organic fresh fruits and veggies. They also have a larger box version which is good for 4 to 5 people for a week. And again, everything is organic and everything is local. They call it Misfits because sometimes the fruits and vegetables look a little bit wonky and people at the farmers market for some reason don't want to choose them, and so they're left over, but Misfits rescues them and sends them to your door. They're not always going to look a little bit funny, but sometimes they will. So this is actually my third box with Misfits. I filmed an unboxing video right before they did a rebrand of their box and the audio failed, so now we're doing it again. So this is my third box with them. So this box is really adorable. I like what they did with their rebrand here. So it just says perishable food inside, please refrigerate. On the side it says always affordable, occasionally funny looking, and then on the back it says always delicious, sometimes normal. Sometimes normal. All right. So as far as I know, this service is only available on the East Coast, but I'm sure there are similar services on the West Coast and hopefully in the Midwest as well. If you guys know of any services that are similar that are not on the East Coast, you can leave in a comment section below so that you guys can check it out as well. When you place your order, you can choose your delivery date. You can also choose how often you want your box to be delivered. You can choose from weekly or bi-weekly, and I chose to go with bi-weekly because we tend to not finish everything in the box within 2 weeks. So all right, so let's take a look at what we got. Since they're working with local farmers, what you get will always be seasonal, so that's a good thing. When you open the box, it says eat delicious, eat Misfits. When you pop open the box, you get a little pamphlet here that says Misfits, our packaging is changing, our mission is expanding. Yep, so they give you a note just telling you that they've upgraded their packaging. And then they also send you a recipe card every week. So this recipe card is ginger infused cauliflower soup. Ooh, that actually sounds really good. Let's see what sort of vegetables and fruits we got. The last time that we got a recipe, we actually didn't get the main ingredient from this card. So I don't know if they actually match up the recipe card along with what you get inside, but let's have a look. In the next layer, you see that it looks like, let's see, does it say anything about their packaging on here? Visit their website, misfits.com/packaging, to learn about each piece's sustainable disposal methods. All right, well, this padding here is wrapped in plastic, and this looks like it's made of some sort of paper material with like I want to say like a foam bubble, but I don't think this is styrofoam. I'll go on their website and take a look. Oh, look at all the stuff that we got. Ooh, so you don't get to choose what you get a surprise, but they do show you what's currently in season on their website, so you can have a look. So, looks like we got 2 organic mangoes. Yummy. It also comes with these like ice packs, but every time I get the box, they're already defrosted. And you can actually reuse these. You can just freeze it and use them as ice packs when you go on picnics or whatnot. So I'm gonna be saving this, and this bag is by Nordic Ice. And it's drain safe. Okay, cool. All right, let's see, what else do we get? Oop. It looks like we also got 3 organic oranges. I'm excited about the mangoes. Ooh, we got this again. So we got an artichoke last time as well, but we didn't really know how to prepare it. So I think we'll need to look for another recipe and see how we're gonna make this artichoke. All right, the next item we got looks like is a beet. So everything so far looks pretty normal. There's nothing so far that looks funny. Ooh, I see another orange. So we've got 4 oranges so far. Actually, you know what? I also see another artichoke. Ooh. So 2 organic artichokes. Next up, we've got a bag of zucchini, it looks like. So sometimes they put veggies in these type of bags. I guess it's just easier for them to pack things when they visit the farms. And these bags that they use are always biodegradable. Or not or is it? Well, this one says compostable. So you can put this in your compost if you do that. Well, let me just show you real quick what the zucchini looks like. These look really fresh, and again, it's organic. oh, it looks like we have another beet. Oh my gosh, so we have 2 beets so far. Actually, you know what? Ooh, it's covered in dirt. This is still covered in dirt. All right, well, it's like bring the farm to your door. You know what? I actually see another artichoke. Oh, another artichoke. All right, so we've gotten 4 artichokes in this box. I wonder what we can make with this. Let me know in the comment section below what you like to make with your artichokes. Yeah, I've never really made anything out of fresh artichokes before. All right, let's keep on going. It looks like we have some lettuce in this box. I guess this is not very pretty. The leaves have fallen out, but it's still good. It's organic lettuce. Whoa, look, we got an eggplant. On the UPS label that came with this box, it said that this box was 10 pounds. Oh, we got a cucumber. We love cucumbers here. Organic cucumber, and it's in really good condition. Like all of these fruits and veggies are really fresh. All right, next up, oh, we got a bag of mushrooms. I don't know what type of mushrooms it is, but this is like is it a white cap mushroom? Is that a thing? Is that what they're called? So these bags you can definitely reuse as well. When you go to the supermarket, we tend to bring our own mesh bags so that we don't have to use those single-use plastic bags. But yeah, a bag of these white mushrooms. Cool. We have more. Ooh, pears. Organic pears. Awesome. We got so much food here. I think this is a really good deal, which is why I haven't canceled my membership yet, because like you get so much if you were to go to the supermarket. I mean, or even a supermarket, yeah, if you were to go to the supermarket or even a farmer's market and you try to buy organic things, it's definitely a lot more pricey than what you get in your box. I think they say that you save about 50% when you purchase your fruits and veggies from Misfits, so that's cool. All right, and these are the pears. They're not quite ripe yet, but they're green pears. Okay, and it looks like, ooh, we've got green bell peppers. In my last 2 boxes, they actually also threw in some potatoes and onions and garlic at the bottom of the box. They did that with the last 2 boxes, and we're actually still kind of working through them, so I'm glad they didn't include any in this box. All right, so this is the last item that we got. Green bell peppers. I mean, this one looks a little bit funny, but this is probably the most funny looking thing in this box. Everything else looks pretty good. If you've seen their ads on Instagram or Facebook, I think they show you like really funny looking vegetables with like an extra arm and a leg there. But I mean, I didn't get any of those. Not that like it matters. It still tastes the same. But all right, so that's everything that we got in this box is Misfits. If I have a referral code, I'll make sure to leave it in the comment section below or in the description of the video, so that I think you get like 20 or 30% off of your first order if you want to give them a try. Again, they're only available on the East Coast right now. But if you have friends or family, you can share this video with them and they can get a certain percentage off. All right, well, that was unboxing Misfits. Let me know what you thought of this video. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave it in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them. This is not a sponsored video, so I'm not gonna know every single thing about this company, but I'll try my best. I'm also on Facebook and Instagram, so make sure to find me there as well. All right, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.